Hariom students, all of you are obeying the instructions given by our government for our safety. You maintain 2-meter distance away in public place. Always you remember it. Then what is today saying? Regularity is the secret of success. Sandhi പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നതാണ് regularity is the secret of success. നമ്മൾക്ക് ഏതൊരു ജീവിതത്തിലെ വിജയത്തിനുള്ള ഏറ്റവും വലിയ രഹസ്യം എന്താണ്? റെഗുലാരിറ്റി, കൃത്യനിഷ്ഠ. നമ്മൾ എന്തൊരു കാര്യം ആണെങ്കിലും കൃത്യനിഷ്ഠയോടുകൂടി ചെയ്താൽ നമുക്ക് വിജയം സുനിശ്ചിതമായിരിക്കും. അതായത് ഇപ്പം നമ്മൾ ഇപ്പം സ്കൂളിൽ തന്നെ നിങ്ങളുടെ ജോലി എന്താ? നിങ്ങളുടെ പഠിക്കുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ് നിങ്ങളുടെ ജോലി അല്ലേ? ഇപ്പോൾ സ്കൂളിൽ ടീച്ചേഴ്സ് അസൈൻമെൻറ്റ് തരുന്നു, നോട്ട്ബുക്ക് കംപ്ലീഷൻ പറയുന്നു, അതെല്ലാം കൃത്യ സമയത്ത് തന്നെ നമ്മൾ സബ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുകയും കാര്യങ്ങളെല്ലാം നല്ല രീതിയിൽ ചെയ്യുകയും ചെയ്താൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നല്ല രീതിയിൽ നല്ലൊരു റിസൾട്ട് ഉണ്ടാകും. അല്ലാതെ ഇപ്പോൾ ടീച്ചർ എന്ത് വയ്ക്കാൻ പറഞ്ഞാൽ അപ്പോൾ ചോദിക്കുമ്പോൾ ഞാൻ മറന്നുപോയി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് കുറേ ദിവസം കഴിഞ്ഞ് അത് വയ്ക്കുകയും പിന്നെ അത് പഠിക്കാതെ ഇരിക്കുകയും ചെയ്താൽ നല്ല മാർക്ക് കിട്ടുമോ? ഇല്ല. അപ്പം നമ്മുടെ എപ്പോഴും കൃത്യനിഷ്ഠയോടുകൂടി ജീവിച്ചാൽ നമ്മുടെ ജീവിതത്തിൽ വിജയം സുനിശ്ചിതമായിരിക്കും. അതെപ്പോഴും നിങ്ങൾ ഓർത്തിരിക്കണം. ഓക്കെ, ടുഡേ വി ക്യാൻ സ്റ്റഡി എ ന്യൂ ലെസൺ, algebraic expressions and identities. What do you mean by algebraic expression? Expressions are formed from variables and constants. Expressions is variables and constant. In 7th standard you already studied what is an expression. Alamin, can you say an example of an algebraic expression? 2x. This is an algebraic expression. It has both variables and constant. Here what is the variable? Here x is the variable and 2 is the constant term. So 2x is an algebraic expression. Here x is the variable and 2 is the constant. Another example is 3xy. This is also an algebraic expression. Here what are the variables? The variables are x and y. The constant term is 3. Then another example, y square plus 4. This is also an algebraic expression. Here the variable is y and the constant terms is 4. Then it has how many terms? It has 2 terms. Each here there is a plus sign and between these two numbers are there. So each is a term of the expressions. Here y square is a term, 4 is also a term. Then another example, 3x square plus 2x plus 4. This is also an algebraic expression. It has how many terms? 3x square is a term, 2x is a term and 4 is also a term. So the variable is x. So 3x square plus 2x plus 4 is also an algebraic expression. So an expression are formed from variables and constant. Remember it. Okay, here in 2x, x is the variable and 2 is the constant term. Find the value of the expression 2y minus 5 for the other given values of y. Here the value of the expression 2y minus 4 for the other given values of y. Here first one, y is equal to 5. If y is equal to 5, you are asked to find the value of the expression. To find the value of the expression means instead of this y you put the value 5. Here what is the expression? The expression is 2y minus 5. Then instead of x we put here y is equal to 5. Then it is equal to 2 into 5 minus 5. Marvelous. What is 2 into 5 minus 5? 2 into 5 is 10. 10 minus 5. That is equal to 5. So what is the value of the expression 2y minus 5 for y is equal to 5? If y is equal to 5, instead of y we put 5. Then 2y minus 5 is equal to 2 into 5 minus 5. That is 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Then second one, if y is equal to minus 3, what is the value of the expression? Then the expression is 2y minus 5. So instead of this y we can put minus 3. That is 2 into minus 3 minus 5. 2 into minus 3 minus 5. Okay. Then what is 2 into minus 3? 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Minus 6 minus 5. What is minus 6 minus 5? Minus 11. So if y is equal to minus 3, what is the value of the expression? the value of the expression is, instead of y we put minus 3. That is 2y minus 5 is equal to 2 into minus 3 minus 5. That is minus 6 minus 5 is equal to minus 11. Then what is our next value for y? Next is y is equal to 2. Then to find the value of y is equal to what we do short? Instead of this y we put the expression is 2y minus 5. Then instead of y we put 2. That is 2 into 2 minus 5. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 minus 5 is, what is 4 minus 5? Current 4 minus 5 is minus 1. So we got the value of the expression is minus 1. So if y is equal to 5, instead of 5 we put y we put 5. Then 2y minus 5 is equal to 2 into 5 minus 5. That is 2 into 5 is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Then if y is equal to minus 3, 2y minus 5 is equal to 2 into minus 3 minus 5. That is minus 6 minus 5 is equal to minus 11. Then if y is equal to 2, 2y minus 5 is equal to 2 into 2 minus 5. That is 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 1. So to find the value of the expression, if the value, if y is equal to 5 is given, if the value of y is given, then to find the value of the expression 2y minus 5, instead of this y we put the value, then we get the value of the expression. Okay. Next is monomial, binomial and trinomial. What do you mean by monomial? An expression that contains exactly one term is called a monomial. ഒരൊറ്റ term മാത്രമുള്ള expression നമുക്ക് പേരാണ് monomial. An expression that contains exactly one term is called a monomial. Haritha, can you say an example for a monomial? 4x. It has only one term, so it is a monomial. Another example is 2y square. It has only one term, so it is also a monomial. Then 3xy. 3xy is also, it has only one term, so it is a monomial. So what is a monomial? An expression that contains only one term is called a monomial. Then next is binomial. An expression that contains two terms is called a binomial. An expression, so binomial means an expression that contains two terms is called a binomial. Two terms. For example, Sivasundar, can you say an example for a binomial? X plus 4. Example. This is a binomial. 2x square plus x. That is also a binomial. Two terms. Then 4x plus 3y. That is also a binomial. So an expression that contains two terms is called a binomial. Example, x plus 4, 2x square plus x, 4x plus 3y. Then trinomial. An expression that contains three terms is called a trinomial. Expression that contains three terms. Rohit, can you say an example of an expression that contains three terms? Example. Say one example. 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Here how many terms are there? 3x square is a term, 2x is a term and 1 is a term. So an expression that contains three terms is called a trinomial. Example, 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Another example is 5y square plus 4y plus 2. This is also a trinomial. An expression that contains three terms is called a trinomial. For example, first is 3x square plus 2x plus 1. 3x square is a term, 2x is a term and 1 is also a term. So it has three terms. So it is a trinomial. Another example is 5y square plus 4y plus 2. Here 5y square is a term, 4y is a term and 2 is also a term. So what is a trinomial? An expression that contains three terms is called a trinomial. So monomial means an expression that contains one term is called a monomial. Example, 4x, 2y square, 3xy, etc. Then binomial means an expression that contains two terms is called a binomial. Example, x plus 4, 2x square plus x, 4x plus 3y, etc. Then trinomial means an expression that contains three terms is called a trinomial. Example, 3x square plus 2x plus 1. 5y square plus 4y plus 2. These are all the examples of trinomial. Okay. Next, like terms. Like terms are formed from the same variables and the powers of these variables are also same. Here, the multiple like terms are formed from the same variables and the powers of these variables are also the same. For example, 2x, 3x. Here, these are like terms. These are like terms. Like terms. Here, the powers of the expressions are same. Like terms. 2x, the power of x is here 1, here also 1. Then what are the here like terms are formed from the same variable. The variables are also same. The variables are x and x. Another example is 2y square, 4y square. Here the like terms, here the variable is y and the powers are the variables are 2. Therefore the powers are also same. Then 4x cube, 5x cube. These are also like terms. These are also like terms. Like terms. So what do you mean by like terms? The like terms are formed from the same variables and the powers of these variables are also same. Remember it. Here 2x and 3x. Here the variable is x and the powers of this x are 1. X is 1. So it is a like term. Then 2y square, 4y square. This here the variable is y and the powers of this y are 2. So they are like terms equal. Then 4x cube, 5x cube. Here the variable is x and what is the powers of x? Here the power of x is 3 and here also the power of x is 3. So these are called as like terms. So what do we mean by like terms? Like terms are formed from the same variables and the powers of the variables are also same. Remember it. Okay. Then another example is 2x raised to 4, 5x raised to 4. This is also like terms. Like terms. So like terms is here the variable is x and the power of this x is 4. So like terms are formed from the same variables and the powers of the variables are also same. For example, 2x and 3x, they are like terms. Here the powers of x is 1. 2y square, 4y square, these are also like terms. Here the variable is y and the power of this y is 2. Then 4x cube, 5x cube. Here the variable is x and the power of x is 3. Then 2x raised to 4, 5x raised to 4. Here the variable is same. Variable is x and the power of this variable is 4. So these are all like terms. So you remember, like terms are formed from the same variables and the powers of the variables are also same. Okay. Next is multiplying a monomial by a monomial. First one, 4 into 7p. To multiply 4 into 7p, what we do? First we multiply this 4 into 7 into p. What is 4 into 7? 4 into 7 is 28. 28 into p. We can write it as 28p. So 4 into 7p is equal to 4 into 7 into p. 4 into 7 is 28. 28 into p is equal to 28p. Another example is minus 4p into 7p cube. That is minus 4 into 7 into p into p into q. What is minus 4 into 7? Minus 4 into 7 is Siddharth minus 28. Then p into p. P multiplied 2 times. We know that 2 into 2 is 2 square. Then p into p is p square. We multiply 2 times. Then p square into q. Or minus 28 p square q. Therefore, minus 4p into 7p2 is minus 4 into 7 into p into p into q. Minus 4 into 7 is minus 28. P into p is p square into q. That is minus 28 p square q. Then third one, minus 4p cube into minus 3p. First we can multiply minus 4 into minus 3 into p cube into p. Minus 4 to minus 3 is 12. 12 into what is p cube into p? P cube into p means here p cube into p is p raised to 4. P raised p multiplied here p multiplied 3 times, here p multiplied 1 time. Then p multiplied how many times total? 4 times. That is p raised to 4. 12 into p raised to 4. That is it. That we can write it as 12 into p raised to 4 is equal to and then we can write it as 12 p raised to 4. 12 p raised to 4. Therefore, 4 into 7p is equal to 4 into 7 into p. 4 into 7 is 28. 28 into p is 28p. Then minus 4p into 7, p2 is equal to minus 4 into 7 into p into p into q. Minus 4 into 7 is minus 28. P into p is p square into q. That is minus 28 p square cube. Then minus 4 p cube into minus 3p is equal to minus 4 into minus 3 into p cube into p. Minus 4 to minus 3 is plus term. Then 12 into p cube into p is p raised to 4. That is 12 p raised to 4. So remember it. Multiply. This is multiplying a monomial by a monomial. Okay. We can do more questions in the next class. Assignments will be given through Google Classroom. Thank you.